Hello all, good morning everyone. Myself Madhura. We are from Batch 6 and we are here to give a presentation regarding the hydrogen energy with respect to electric vehicles. And in this, contents include introduction and what is the fuel cell electric vehicle and what are the features of it, how it works, and where will be the fuel stations of hydrogen, and whether it emissions is going to cause any harmful effects or not, and what is the position of the fuel cell electric vehicle in India, and what are the advantages and disadvantages in it. Uh, uh, all these things we will know by the end of this presentation. Here, as we all know that hydrogen is the simplest element having the atomic number 1 and it consists of only one proton and one electron. And this, as it is abundant in the earth as an element, we can't get it in a pure form. I mean, only hydrogen we can't get it because it is available in the combined forms such as water, methane, and so on. So to use the hydrogen as an energy or fuel, we have to separate from those compounds, and it can be used as an alternative fuel for the several uses. And in the fuel cell, the hydrogen combines with the oxygen from the air through a fuel cell, creating the electricity through and water through a process called electrochemical process. Although the production of hydrogen may generate emission affecting the air quality depending upon the source, how we extract it, based on that it will going to affect the air quality, and it only emits the water vapor and the warm air. So we consider it as a zero emission vehicle. And one question is, why haven't most people heard of hydrogen fuel cell vehicles? When we asked this the question for the Barclay, who is the e-commerce manager at GFS Car Parts, he said that hydrogen vehicles are the taken back seat due to the fact that electric vehicles are more popular among the public, but there are benefits to hydrogen that outweigh electric. Sometimes literally as hydrogen fuel cells are much lighter than the powerful batteries. As you can top up a hydrogen car much quicker than charging your electric model, and they are perfect for the public transport and business. They can't afford the vehicle downtime. What he said means most of the people don't know the benefits of the hydrogen, how it is used and what are the advantages of it. Many of the people don't know, so that what the people think is, they they are know only the electric vehicles, so that this hydrogen taken a backseat, he said. And next, what is a fuel cell electric vehicle? These fuel cell electric vehicles are powered by hydrogen, and these are fueled with a pure hydrogen gas stored in a tank on the vehicle, similar to that internal combustion engine, what we call in short form IC engines. They can fuel in the less than 4 minutes, and these fuel cell electric vehicles have a driving range over the 300 miles, and they are less time consuming, and these are equipped with another advanced technologies to increase efficiency, such as regenerative braking system, which capture the energy lost during the braking and store it in a battery. They can generate their own electricity, and major automobile manufacturers are offering a limited but growing number of production of fuel cell electric vehicles to the public in certain markets in the sync with what the developing infrastructure can support. And these are considered as a fuel under the Act of Energy Policy in the 1992, and this qualifies for the alternative fuel vehicle tax credits. Next is the continuation of fuel cell electric vehicles. These are said to be used propulsion system similar to that of electric vehicles, where energy stored as a hydrogen and that is converted into electricity by the fuel cell. Here you can see in the figure that fuel tank, by in this fuel tank they fill the hydrogen gas, and that will convert, react to give a electricity. Behind that only battery pack is there, and they are more efficient than the conventional IC engines and can produce no tailpipe emission. Means they are not harmful for the environment, has it because they emit only the water vapor and the warm air. And this infrastructure to fuel them are in the early stages of implementation. They are now starting, so that people are not aware of it. The US Department of Energy leads a research efforts to make a hydrogen powered vehicles on the affordable, environmentally friendly and the safe transportation option. This is regarding the fuel cell electric vehicles. Next is hydrogen fuel cell features. This will be continued by Jai Prakash. Over to you, Jai Prakash.
Good afternoon, everybody. Hydrogen fuel cell features. If you ask someone what the future of cars looks like, they'll probably tell you it's electric or that Tesla is about the forefront of the movement. But what there's another option that could be just good as or even better than battery electric vehicles. What if you could power cars with the most abundant resource in the universe, with water as the only byproduct, and they are more likely to disrupt the auto industry than battery powered cars like Teslas. Mm, and hydrogen fuel cells have been a technology of great promises as well as a great skepticism. Hydrogen fuel cells technology going so far as to call them fu- mm, work?
Start.
Fuel cell vehicles use hydrogen gas to power an electric motor. Unlike conventional vehicles which run on gasoline or diesel, fuel cell cars and trucks combine hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity, which runs a motor. Since they are powered entirely by electricity, fuel cell vehicles are considered as electric vehicles, but unlike other electric vehicles, their range and refueling process are comparable to conventional cars and trucks. Converting hydrogen gas into electricity produces water and heat as a byproduct, meaning meaning fuel cell vehicles don't create tailpipe pollution and they are driven. Producing the hydrogen itself can lead to pollution, including greenhouse gas emissions. But even when the fuel comes from one of the dirtiest sources of hydrogen, natural gas, today's early fuel cell cars and truck can cut emissions by over 30% when compared with gasoline powered counterparts. Future renewable fuel standards, such as requirements currently in the place in California, could make hydrogen even cleaner. The most common type of previous line. The most common type of fuel cell for vehicle applications in the polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cell. In a PEM fuel cell, an electric membrane electrolyte membrane is sandwiched between a positive electrode and a negative electrode. Thus, hydrogen is introduced to the anode and oxygen is introduced to the cathode. And then the hydrogen molecules break apart into protons and electrons due to an electrochemical reaction in the fuel cell catalyst. And protons then travel through the membrane to the cathode. The electrons are forced to travel through an external circuit to perform work, and then recombine with the protons on the cathode side, where the protons and electrons and oxygen molecules combine to form water. Like conventional batteries, under the bonnets of automobiles, hydrogen fuel cells to convert chemical energy into electrical energy. For a long-term viability perspective, Fuel cell electric vehicles are billed as vehicles of the future, given that hydrogen is the most abundant resource in the universe. Here, in a fuel cell electric vehicle, hydrogen and oxygen generate electricity. This energy is directed into electric motor or the battery as needed. Hydrogen can be pumped into vehicles fuel tank just like gas. You can fill up quickly the same way you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Kritika. Hydrogen can be pumped into a vehicle's fuel tank just like gas. You can fill up quickly the same way you would with gas or diesel. And once it has full tank, a fuel cell vehicle can travel just as far as gas vehicle. Hydrogen fueling stations. The increased number of retail hydrogen fueling locations in selective markets is supporting the initial rollout of a fuel electric vehicles. Manufacturers include Honda, Hyundai, and Toyota are currently offering production of fuel cell electric vehicles for sale or lease to customers in markets where hydrogen fuel is available, primarily in California. With with careful planning, the focus has been to add hydrogen fuel at existing gasoline stations, covering regions in Northern California near San Francisco and Southern California near Los Angeles and San Diego, with additional connector and destination station. Mobile hydrogen fuelers, where liquefied or compressed hydrogen and dispensing equipment is stored on board a trailer, are also being developed to support the expansion of hydrogen infrastructure. Next slide. These these efforts are these efforts are giving early fuel cell electric vehicles adopters confidence that they can drive normally and have access to hydrogen fuel wherever they go within these regions. Next, hydrogen infrastructure is also developing for buses, medium-duty fleets, and material handling equipments. Unlike the public consumer station for fuel cell electric vehicles that need multiple locations to cover wherever the consumer may travel, private fleet fueling stations require fewer locations or even just a central location to meet a specific fleet's needs. Hydrogen power vehicles where hydrogen power vehicles have clear advantages in many applications. There is one crucial difference between hydrogen fuel cell cars and other electric vehicles. Hydrogen cars produce the electricity themselves, so unlike in fully electric or plug-in hybrid vehicles, the vehicle doesn't get its power from a built-in battery that can be charged from an external power source. Instead, hydrogen cars effectively have their own efficient power plant on board the fuel cell. Over to Monica.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Monica, and I'm explaining the fuel cell electric vehicle emissions. The fuel cell electric vehicle emits only water, vapor, and the warm air, producing no tailpipe emissions. Similar to electricity, hydrogen is an energy carrier that can be produced from various feedstocks. These feedstocks and production methods should be considered when evaluating hydrogen emissions. In the fuel technology, a process known as reverse electrolysis takes place, in which the hydrogen reacts with oxygen in the fuel cell. The hydrogen comes from one or more tanks built in the fuel cell electric vehicles, and while the oxygen comes from the ambient air. The only result of this reaction are electrical energy, heat, and water, which is emitted through the exhaust as water vapor. So hydrogen powered vehicles are locally emission free. Argonne National Laboratory report fuel choices or fuel cell vehicles, well to wheels, energy and emission impacts are analyzed greenhouse gas emissions for 10 of the most common hydrogen production and distribution pathways. Argonne National Laboratory found that gaseous hydrogen produces fewer greenhouse gases than compared to the liquid hydrogen in most cases. And the Argonne National Laboratory also investigated hydrogen's effect on petroleum use and found out that using hydrogen as a fuel reduced petroleum use by nearly 100% regardless of fuel production pathway. Now, the public health and the environment. About half of the US population lives in areas where the air pollution levels are high enough to negatively impact public health and the environment. Emissions from these gasolines and diesel vehicles, such as nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbons, and particulate matter, are a major source of this pollution. Hydrogen-powered fuel cells, electric vehicles emit none of these harmful substances. Only water and warm air are emitted. The environmental and health benefits are also seen at the source of hydrogen production if derived from low or zero emission sources such as solar, wind, and nuclear energy and fossil fuel with advanced emission controls and carbon sequestration. Because the transportation sector accounts for about 1/3 of the US carbon dioxide emissions, using these sources to produce hydrogen for transportation can cut greenhouse gas emission. The availability of this hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle, uh, there are several vehicle manufacturers have begun making light duty hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles available in some selected markets like Southern and Northern California, where there is access to hydrogen fuel stations. Test vehicles are also available in limited number of selected organizations with access of hydrogen fueling stations. Heavy duty tractors and buses also have hydrogen options available on the demonstration basis. The progress in India so far is the definition of electric vehicles only covers battery electric vehicles. The government has lowered taxes to 12%. At 43%, hybrid electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles attract the same tax as IC vehicles. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has been supporting various such projects in academic institutions, research and development organization, and industry for development. Thank you. That's all.
Hello, I'm Kushal. Advantages. Fuel cells have strong advantages over conventional combustion based technologies currently used in many power plants and cars, given that they produce much smaller quantities of greenhouse gases and none of the air pollutants that causes health problems. Also, if pure hydrogen is used, fuel cells emit only heat and water as a byproduct. Such cells are also far more energy efficient than traditional combustion technologies. Unlike battery powered electric vehicles, fuel cells vehicles do not need to be plugged in, and most models exceed 300 kilometers of range on full tank. They are filled up with a nozzle just like a petrol or diesel station. It does it does not detonate in cold weather. Like the other e-cars, hydrogen vehicles can also recover and recuperate braking energy. The electric motor converts the car's kinetic energy back into electrical energy and feeds it into the backup battery. Quick charging time and short fueling time. The hydrogen tank of fuel cell cars are full and ready to go again in less than 5 minutes. A full hydrogen tank will last around 300 miles, approx 480 kilometers. Disadvantages. Currently, the biggest shortcoming of hydrogen fuel cell car is a sparsity of options of refueling. It is difficult to store. For the reason alone, the transport and storage of such substance is deemed impractical, which EVs do not generate gases that contribute to global warming. The process of making hydrogen needs energy often from fossil fuel sources. That has raised questions over hydrogen's green credentials. Also, there are questions of safety. Hydrogen is more explosive than petrol. Opponents of the technology cite that case of the hydrogen-filled Highburn airship in 1937. The other major hurdle is that the vehicles are expensive and fuel dispensing pumps are scarce, not enough. Limited section of fuel, high fuel cost. Conclusion. Hydrogen fuel cell car are quite promising vehicle and may have the potential to replace conventional cars at one point in time. However, since the technology behind hydrogen car is not mature yet and necessary infrastructure is missing, it may take a quite long time until fuel cell car will be suitable and reliable alternative to the conventional cars. In maintenance, in meantime, electric car may be a good alternate to the use of conventional cars. Thank you.